Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to make a prebiotic green tea with mint. Enjoy this soothing, all-natural prebiotic tea. You will need some dried green tea, mint leaves, a cup of water in addition to the amazing hashab prebiotic. Boil water and then add your green tea and mint leaves. Boil for a few minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of hashab prebiotic to the empty teapot. This natural powder has at least 85% soluble fibers of mostly prebiotic polysaccharides and oligosaccharides. Pour the tea into the teapot while sifting. Mix it well. Pour tea into cup and enjoy this soothing, refreshing prebiotic tea.